Hey yo, what's good, y'all? It's your boy Bobby Sneaker World, and I'm back with another video. Now today we doing another live cop. This will be my first one of 2019, and we're gonna start it off with a bang. It's a big sneaker releasing. Now before we get into the live cop, because we only got about a minute left, please, if you're new to the channel, we're at 1,100 supporters and growing daily on the channel. Go down and hit that big red subscribe button. Join the family, man, and join the movement. I appreciate all of you guys. And everybody to watch the video, please hit that thumbs up. It means a lot. So, with all that being said, it's a big sneaker releasing. The Fear God ones. We also got the sixes releasing. I'm gonna try to do a live cop on those as well because I have 10 minutes on those. But we'll see because I don't know if I want to pick those up or not. But let's get into it. New for this year, anytime it's a huge release for a live cop, I'm bringing Mike out. Not Michael Jordan. Mike, hit it.
Gentlemen, let's get ready to rumble!
Let's get into the live cop. All right, y'all can see we down to the 20-second mark now. And we're going to get the countdown started on these joints right here to start it off. Like I said, I still don't know if I'm going to pick these up, but I may. I got to see them in person. I still never went to the mall early to see them in hand. So let's see. 4, 3, 2, 1. Oh, I'm going to reserve this pair. I'm going to reserve them. Let's see. 34.13. I think I actually have them up on another site as well, but I only had 9 minutes on this one. Let's see if I hit on these, because obviously everybody else already had their 30 seconds at this point to reserve, but I don't know how limited these are. So let's see if I hit with 9 minutes as well. Once again, appreciate all y'all for rocking with the channel, man. Continue to watch this live cop. I know this isn't the main event. The main event is the Fear of Gods. That's what y'all here to see. So y'all can always skip ahead if y'all want to get to that point. But, you know, they staggered the releases again, so we're going to have to wait. So 3, 2, 1 with 9 minutes. Let's see. Viewing my countdowns, results. Bam. Hit again. Okay, y'all, so now it's time for the reason you guys clicked on this video. Time to take this first L of 2019. Let's get it. We 5, 4, 3, 2, L. Next time, just like I assumed. It's all good, though. So that's the first L of the year. Quick, painless, but it's okay. Got a L, got a dub, kinda with the sixes. Still don't know what I want to do with those. I did end up reserving the second 10.5. So if anybody is watching this, if you don't hit in your city, or if you just want to pick it up for somebody else, or if you want to double up, I don't know how many people want to double up on the sixes, but if you don't hit and you need a 10.5, my gift to you, shipping plus retail, they're all yours. Shipping plus retail to whatever city, I'll pick them up for you, ship them out same day. But I appreciate all y'all for watching, man. Enjoying another live cop on the channel. We cops up, we miss up. It is what it is. OVE!